Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, to start off with, the Australian dollar did attempt to take the upside challenge on Friday, but as you can see, it was clearly rejected from the 79.75.85 level. The market took a plunge from 79.88 to a low of 78.93, and this has severely taken a bit of a toll on the bulls and put a dent in the bullish structure. For this week, I do expect to see further weakness and do look for a move towards the region of 78.90 and beneath there towards 78.40, with the moving average now coming in now at 78.07. Some of us may know that this is a CTA level, or commodity trading advisor. They're hedge funds and they do tend to step in when the market gets close to this 60-day moving average, so do keep an eye on that. Resistance on the day comes in at 79.45. Now the structure of the euro is the same as the US dollar index, but on the reverse, of course. So we've got a bearish double top, we've got a bearish outside range day, and a strong rejection from that challenge. Now with the dollar index, we've got a bullish double bottom and also a bullish outside range day. At the moment, we've got a bit of work to do to the downside to get to the confirmation for the double top. But nevertheless, the outside range day does also need further implications to support the bear case for euro. But I do expect to see that come through this week. The immediate target comes in at 123.5. A break beneath there gives further scope towards 122.75 to 90. Any advances seen at 124.55 to 65. But it is to note that it is the US to take observance for the President Day, so it might be a little bit quiet to the start of this week. The dollar yen took a challenge to the downside and rebounded off the 105.55 level and now puts in a bit of a bull case to 106.70.80. Overall, though, I do expect to see further strength coming back to the US dollar, so this should help dollar yen strengthen and the yen case to weaken after we did see briefly a 15-month high in the yen strength. The pound taking casualties but not enough to support a bearish case, but still I expect to see further weakness coming into this week. Tomorrow we do have the Bank of England and along with other officials to testify on inflation and the economic outlook before the Parliament Treasury Committee. This will no doubt send ripples into the market and I do expect to see some weakness coming into play. On the day, I expect to see a range of 139.50 to 140.60. The gold posting a bearish outside range day, plus rejecting the level of 1,360.70 area, does give implications to the downside. At the moment, I'm looking towards the region of 1,345 to 1,342, with the resistance to be capped at 52 to 58. The silver outlook also taking a bit of a hit after rejecting the level that we could see around $16.95. At the moment, I'm looking down towards now $16.40 from the rejection. If the gold does play out and also the dollar strengthens, then we could see a little bit of a weakness coming back into silver. Wrapping up with oil, the market still has a little bit more to go to the upside, but resistance towards 62.5 could actually foul from the bullish challenge and could see a rejection from there and look back towards the support that immediately comes in at 60.90 and reassess from there. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and the start to the new week.